Stop wondering if AI will take your job. Start using AI to do your job in half the time. Most people use AI like a search engine. Today, I'm going to show you how to use it as a co-pilot. From writing 1,000-word reports in seconds to generating professional marketing videos with a single prompt, this is your practical roadmap to mastering generative AI. Welcome to the Generative AI Practical Bootcamp. We aren't just talking about tech, we are building with it. Traditional AI predicts, generative AI creates. It uses patterns from the past to build the future. The power of Gen AI isn't in the code, it's in the prompt. It's your new creative partner. LLMs are trained on billions of words to understand human context and intent. Think of AI as a very smart intern. Give clear instructions, and you'll get great results. To get the best text, define the persona and the goal. Context is king. Never read a long manual again. Let AI extract the gold for you. Stop staring at a blinking cursor. Let AI draft the first version of your emails. Stuck for ideas? AI can generate hundreds in seconds to spark your creativity. Global communication is now instant. AI understands slang and culture, not just words. You don't need to learn C++ to build tools. Just describe what you want the code to do. Adjust your message for any audience, from professional boardrooms to social media. Show, don't just tell. Examples help the AI match your unique style. Cleaning data used to take hours. Now, it's a simple copy-paste job. AI can be confidently wrong. Always verify the facts it gives you. If you can describe it, you can see it. This is the end of stock photography. Control the mood. Choose your style, from cinematic realism to retro pop art. Be the director. Tell the AI where the sun is and where the camera stands. Rapidly prototype your designs. Build website layouts in seconds. Change the details without redrawing the whole thing. Expand the borders of any photo. Crucial for storytelling, keeping your characters consistent in every scene. Branding made easy. Generate 50 logo concepts over your morning coffee. Architects and designers use AI to visualize spaces before a single brick is laid. Stop using the same images as everyone else. Create unique visuals for your brand. With great power comes responsibility. Be mindful of copyright and original creators. The era of text-to-video is here. High-quality B-roll is now just a prompt away. Clone your voice or use professional AI narrators. No expensive studio required. Need background music? Generate royalty-free tracks tailored to your video's mood. Scale your training. Create videos in 50 languages using a single AI avatar. Reach the world. Translate your content and keep your own voice in every language. Bring your photos to life. Add subtle motion to make your visuals stand out. AI can now see your world. Show it a photo and ask it for advice. One person can now do the work of a whole film crew. The barrier to entry is gone. Build workflows that run while you sleep. Let AI handle the boring stuff. Save days of research. AI finds the patterns in massive amounts of information. The best teacher in the world is now available 24/7, tailored to your pace. Launch a business in an afternoon. Gen AI handles the content, you handle the strategy. Write better code, faster. It's like having a senior developer sitting next to you. Focus on the presentation, not the formatting. Let AI design your slides. Never take notes again. Get a clear list of next steps after every meeting. AI isn't neutral. We must be the filters for fairness and accuracy. Truth is getting harder to spot. Critical thinking is your most important tool. AI is the engine, but you are the driver. Your taste and heart cannot be automated. This bootcamp transitioned from the basics of what generative AI is to the specific, practical ways it can be used today. We explored text mastery, how to prompt LLMs for professional writing and data tasks. Visual power, creating and editing images/designs for branding and social media. How to prompt LLMs for professional writing and data tasks. Multimedia, generating audio, music, and video to scale content creation. How to prompt LLMs for professional writing and data tasks. Workflow efficiency, integrating AI into daily habits to save hours of manual labor. How to prompt LLMs for professional writing and data tasks. Responsibility, navigating the ethical landscape and understanding the vital role of human judgment. How to prompt LLMs for professional writing and data tasks. We used to be limited by our hands, what we could draw, type, or code. Those barriers are gone. Now, your only limit is the quality of your ideas. This technology changes weekly. Don't memorize the tools, master the mindset of adaptability. Stay curious and keep experimenting. The theory ends now. The practice begins the moment you close this window. Go build something amazing. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for completing the bootcamp. This bootcamp transitioned from the basics of what generative AI is to the specific, practical ways it can be used today. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, share this with a teammate, and let's keep building a safer ethical AI world together.